Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I am going to show you how to make this quick and easy, healthy omelette. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Ingredients I will be using for today's recipe: I have onion, bell peppers, tomatoes, spinach, eggs, pepper flakes, complete seasoning, salt, and of course you need some oil. Let's get cooking. Now I'm going to dice the bell peppers, onion, and tomatoes very thin. Remember to check the description below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Chop the spinach to make it cook faster, or you can leave it as is. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now I am going to crack the eggs. I'm using 4 eggs, but you can use more or you can use less if optional. Add the seasoning. Combine everything together. Make sure you mix it well so you don't have any seasoning remained in the bottom. The frying pan is nice and hot. Reduce it to medium. Drizzle some oil and add the vegetable. Let it saute for 5 to 10 minutes. That it's ready, I'm going to set it aside. Add some more oil. I'm going to spread it evenly so it'll be level. Next, I am going to transfer the vegetables back. Looking good and healthy. Make sure your vegetables in one side. It will make it easier to fold in too. And make sure you spread it evenly to one side. Just like that. Nice and golden brown, I'm going to fold it in two. And there you have it. Thank you everyone for your precious time. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.